If you want to enable or disable the microphone in Google Chrome, this quick guide will walk you through the exact steps so you can manage your microphone permissions with confidence. This is really useful if you use voice search, video calls, online meetings, or websites that need audio recording access. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, start menu, or applications folder depending on your device. Once Chrome is open, you're ready to adjust the microphone settings. Next, look at the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three-dot menu. Click on those three dots to open Chrome's main menu, then click Settings. This will take you to the Chrome settings page, where you can control many of the browser's privacy and permission options. On the left side of the settings page, find and click Privacy and Security. This is the section where Chrome keeps its security controls and site permission settings. After that, click Site Settings. Site Settings is where you can manage what websites are allowed to use features like your camera, microphone, location, notifications, and more. Now scroll down until you find Microphone, then click it. This opens the microphone permission controls for Chrome. Here you'll see the options that determine whether websites can request access to your microphone or whether microphone access is blocked. If you want to enable the microphone, make sure the option that says sites can ask to use your microphone is turned on. When this setting is enabled, websites can request permission to use your mic when needed. For example, this is helpful for Google Meet, Zoom in the browser, voice typing tools, online recording apps, and any platform that needs audio input. If you want to disable the microphone, select Don't allow sites to use your microphone. This blocks websites from accessing your microphone through Chrome. It's a good option if you want more privacy, if you're troubleshooting a site, or if you simply don't want browser-based apps to use your mic. In some cases, you may also want to check which microphone device is selected, especially if your computer has more than one audio input. If the wrong microphone is chosen, a website may not work properly even if permission is enabled. So if you still have issues after changing the setting, double check your input device on the same microphone page or in your computer's sound settings, and that's it. You've now learned how to enable or disable the microphone in Google Chrome in just a few easy steps. Whether you're setting up voice access for meetings or turning microphone access off for privacy, you now know exactly where to find the setting. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick and practical tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.